today I'm going to be showing you guys some tips and DIYs and different things you can do if you're dealing with depression or anxiety. And actually a little update on me, I'm actually doing really good now that it's summertime and I'm done with school. I normally only feel that way when I'm around people every single day. I get anxiety and it usually happens when I'm in school. But now that it's summertime, I'm doing a lot better, and I feel like recently I've actually been able to talk to people without overthinking it or getting all crazy and everything. So yeah, I thought I would just give you a little update because I know that video that I posted a while ago was I don't know if you've seen that, but I actually want to delete that video just because, yeah, I haven't even watched it since I uploaded it because it just makes me feel all weird. But yeah, that was really hard for me to make, but I just left it up in case it helps anyone else out. So yeah, and now I'm rambling, but anyways, these are some things that actually help me feel better and make me happy when I ever feel that way. And I'm not saying that it's going to cure your problems or totally get rid of it, but I do like to do this when I feel that way, and I thought I would share some ideas with you. I was gonna post this video a couple months ago, but I'm just now finishing filming it. I've been so busy lately. But yeah, now that it's summer, I'm really excited to start making videos, and I'm gonna try to create a schedule where I can upload once every single week again, because for a while there I was just uploading once every month, which I know is bad. I hope you enjoy this video. Give it a like and subscribe and comment down below anything you want to, and let's just get right into the video. So to make the anti-stress lavender putty, I just put in 1 cup of flour, a half a cup of salt, 3 tablespoons cream of tartar, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and then I just mixed it a little bit. And then I just poured in a half a cup of boiling water. And then I just put in lavender essential oil, and I put 6 drops of that in there, and then I put bergamot essential oil, and I did 4 drops of that. But you can use any essential oil that you like, but I wanted it to be calming, so that's what I chose. And then lastly, I just added a whole bunch of glitter and purple food coloring so that it could, I don't know, look lavendery. So yeah, I really like this DIY and it was really fun to make. Decided to make an inspiration journal. That's what I'm calling it, but some people call it a bullet journal. And I got a lot of these ideas on Pinterest. But yeah, I just decided to make it an inspirational journal because when I feel stressed or depressed or whatever, it's just something that I can do to make me happy, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, I'm not really using it as a planner because I already have my own planner. So I just like to do this journal to be creative and stuff. So yeah, here I just decided to make a habit tracker and a mood tracker. So the first one was a mood tracker for the month of June, and this is a habit tracker of like, I don't know, just to stay healthy, I guess. But yeah, so far I've been using it every single day, and it's actually really fun. So here are some ideas for you if you want to make one of these. I recently just made a summer bucket list for this summer, and I really like how that turned out too. But yeah, I mostly am just using this journal to just be creative and to get inspiration, and it's been really fun. So I recommend making an inspirational journal. So for the first tip that I have for you, you could always play a game on your phone or on your computer if you're feeling anxious in public. I used to do this in school. Well, it's summer now, but I did this in school once in a while. So yeah, that really helps me. The next thing that I like to do is soak in a bath after a long day to help calm me, and I like to either watch one of my favorite shows on Netflix or read a book, and yeah, that really seems to help. Another thing you should do is make lists or have a planner. I really like doing that when my mind is like scattered and I feel like it's all over the place and I can't stay focused. I just need to stay organized. So yeah, I love using a planner and just organizing things, planning out my day. I don't do this every single day, obviously, but yeah, sometimes I really like doing that. So that's just an idea for you. And you'll notice my cat Misty is like everywhere where I am. Yeah, my cat was like following me throughout this whole video. So another thing that I love to do is play with my cat Misty. She always calms me and makes me so happy. In this particular clip, she wasn't really in her playful mood, but I just decided to take pictures of her. So yeah. Another thing that really helps is exercising. It really helps reduce stress and tension, and every time I exercise, my head can think a lot clearer and I feel a lot happier, and I usually have more energy, which is weird because you would think I'd get tired, which yeah, my muscles might be tired, but at the same time, I feel like I have more energy. So yeah, you should definitely try that out. Another thing that really helps me is either listening to music or playing the piano. And I was kind of out of practice because I haven't played for a while, but I'm trying to start playing more because it's just really fun and it helps relax me. So yeah, maybe this summer you should try to learn an instrument because it can be really fun. So here are a few essential oils that really helps me. The first three are calming oils. I use clary sage, lavender, and vetiver for calming. And vetiver actually helps me go to sleep. And then balance just kind of balances out your system. Motivate I use when I need energy. And elevation is to make you feel more elevated and to make your mood be more happy, I guess. And these two oils, grapefruit and wild orange, I just put in the diffuser and it just makes like a fruity smell. So yeah, those are a few ideas if you want to start using essential oils. Another thing that I like to do is have devotions every single day. And it really helps to spend time with God because He really helps me whenever I'm feeling stressed or having anxiety. And my favorite devotional is called Jesus Calling by Sarah Young. So I would recommend reading that because it's just, I don't know, it's just a really good book. So you should try it out. The last thing you should do is go outside and enjoy some fresh air. And sorry about the background, my dad just cut down a tree, so there's a bunch of sticks in the background. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming this video, so yeah, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!